Today is Wednesday, the 9th of July, and we're going to do this first potato reveal. I'll show you a plant, and then I'll explain why I hope I'm going to get something from it. That is the plant, and you can see it's not in a very good state. The plant is definitely dying back. All the foliage has gone yellow, and normally when the foliage starts to go yellow, that's when it's time to empty the containers, and it's not really a big container either. The reason I'm a little bit dubious about this particular container is that it's a Charlotte second early plant, and they take 13 to 15 weeks to reach maturity. But because we've had such bad winds over the last few weeks, that plant has took quite a battering, and that's why it started to die back, and it's only just 11 weeks. So fingers crossed we'll still get something from it. I'm going to put down this tarpaulin so when we empty that container we can collect up the compost after, and then there's no mess. So first thing to do is just cut away this foliage. And just in case you've got traces of early blight on your plants, make sure you put this in a bag and bin it. Don't put it into your compost bins. So, having done that, we'll just empty it and hope for the best. It's actually very wet, this, but it's because it's been so sunny. But the good news is we can actually see potatoes already. I'm not hoping for a lot after only 11 weeks, so we'll take that root part away, and then let's dig in. Well, I can see we've got potatoes already, so at least we know we're not getting nothing. They're not huge, but I never expected that. But it looks like we've got some really nice salad potatoes there. So while we're digging through, I'll just pop them into this sieve. They're not a bad size, to be fair. And there is quite a lot. And I'm even keeping these tiny ones because they're really nice. That is what's left of the seed potato, just the skin. And as we dig in a little bit more, we're starting to see even more results. I'm actually quite surprised after only 11 weeks. That's a really good size one. And even at this stage, we're still getting more. I think this is a really good result. We've got all those potatoes from this little container. Move some of this compost out of the way, just in case we've missed one. I think that might be as a lot. We can also save this compost and use it again. As you can see, it's perfectly good. So there we go. Now that is a sight for sore eyes. Amazing. As always, I'm going to give them a quick weigh. You can get these really cheap online, just a few pounds. But I do like to measure the weight of all his harvests. So we'll get them in this bag. I'll just get them a quick wash with hose pipe. But these potatoes have got no damage on them whatsoever. I think we've got a good couple of meals coming out of this. The longer it takes to put these potatoes in this bag, the happier I am. I think we've had a great result. Really nice bag of potatoes there, but what do they weigh? Should make sure that's reset to 0. And then we'll find out. Just get a little time to settle. So there you go. 3.44 pounds of potatoes. That is amazing. I must admit, that is a better result than I was hoping for. Amazing little potatoes. And these Charlottes can get twice this size if they're left a bit longer. But because that plant's dying back, it really wasn't worth doing that. There's also a chance that slugs can get to your potatoes, especially if you leave them too long. But for 11 weeks in a very small container, that is more than I could have hoped for. We've got another 5 containers to go at yet. So hopefully, as we get towards the end of July, we're going to empty 1 or 2 more and get even better results. But £3.5 of potatoes, I think, is definitely a result. If you want to see what else we get out of these potato containers, then please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the sunshine.